What's going on, junkies? Welcome back to the channel. If you couldn't tell by the title of the video, we're going drifting today. It's a beautiful day out, and I'm just going to go meet up with Joel and Cody, and then I guess we'll just see you guys there. We're just gonna get straight to it. Enjoy the video. Feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe, any of that good stuff. It helps out a lot. It keeps me motivated, so I'll see you guys when we get there. I also feel it might be appropriate time to tell you guys that I won't be drifting my car today. I'll spare you the nonsense. I'm just not ready. I'm in the 4Runner. I'm loaded up with chairs and canopies and a cooler, and I'm just gonna be showing the boys support today, and I'll probably have a lot better media for the event this time anyway, so I just won't be driving. The dogs! Look at that thing! That's just messed up. Hey, we made it to the track and we only have two problems. One, Joel's car is leaking coolant out of his swirl pot, and thankfully I actually had some clamps laying around in my tool bag that I brought, so that's cool. Joel's just gonna button up his coolant lines really quick, and then Cody unfortunately forgot a helmet, which is a big problem, and he's driving today, so I brought my helmet, thankfully, so I'm gonna let him borrow mine. The only reason I had it was so I could do some ride-alongs, get some cool footage, but if I don't even end up riding along, I really don't even care. I just want Cody to go out there and have fun. They're very easy fixes, and yeah, we're out here gonna have a good time. Yeah! Shout out to Jacob.